What is development, or how do you define development in your organization?
Being the barangay secretary, I would define development in our organization as the transformation of our barangay as a cluster of progressive communities where its law-abiding citizenry enjoys the fullness of urban life in peaceful, sustainably developed communities, flourishing with high-quality standard education, stable economy, and balanced ecology, in deep reference to the Creator.
How does it work in your organization?
Development works in our organization through the provision of the highest standard of public service in attaining the best quality of life through the formulation and implementation of socio-economic programs consistent to the collective goals and interests and responsive to the dreams and aspirations of the citizenry.
Any activities or event you conduct?
Yes, one would be the seizure and the maximization of the opportunities consequential to the strategic position of the barangay, being in the development node of the region through systematic networking of the stakeholders and the encouragement of the residents' active participation in community development growth. Number two is the resourcefulness in outsourcing of funds to augment the execution of various livelihood programs. Third is the promotion of a systematic and advanced educational methods, especially for the out-of-school youth and uneducated adults. Fourth is the optimization of the tourism potentials of the barangay to be at par with other barangays similarly endowed with scenic spots and attractions. Fifth is the formulation and implementation of a branding and marketing strategy for the barangay with the end in view of identifying mark or characteristic common to communities towards the determination of the most realistic, most competitive, most compelling strategic vision reinforced and enriched by every act of investment and communication for the barangay. And last, or number 6, is to encourage more participation of government institutions, organizations and agencies, non-governmental organizations and people's organizations, industries and business enterprises, artists and cultural workers, churches and schools, and the entire population in general in barangay governance and administration of programs, projects, and related initiatives in the grassroots.